Woo. Yo, what is going on YouTube? M-Easy back again with another video. If you're watching this, woo, too much rear, and I stalled. If you're watching this, this is my first motovlog, and the date today is October 21st. I bought this bike I bought this bike September 3rd. So I've been trying to get this video out to you guys for a super long time, like, you know, a month, almost 2 months, but I was having major issues with the audio. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried to record video while on a motorcycle, but not only is the motorcycle loud, the wind rushing past the helmet is extremely loud. So you guys know, well, I don't know if you know, but I had the GoPro Hero 7 white, and that's what I was making most of my videos for. I haven't used it in a while on the channel, but that's what I used to use for my installs. I just threw that on the helmet, figured it would be good to go. This road sucks, man. But yeah, it was not good to go. I couldn't hear, like, it sounded good when I was in the driveway, and yeah, I was like yelling to my daughter something, and I took her around the block, couldn't hear anything. I was doing like 15 miles an hour, couldn't hear anything. Yeah, so I did some research, and I found out that you need to get an external mic. You know, it's picking up the audio from outside the helmet, so of course there's all this wind and stuff that you don't want in your video. And I found out that I should actually be using the GoPro adapter, the GoPro audio adapter. It's like this big blocky thing. It's not that big, but it's this little block thing that you plug into your GoPro's USB port, and then you can plug external microphones into that. So I got that, plugged it into the GoPro, plugged my mic into that, and went to watch the video. There was absolutely no audio at all. So I was like, what the hell? Like, it was just like static. It wasn't a lot of like static, but it was like this faint static. So I'm like, what the, yo, I can't get this right. So then I do some more research. I find out that the GoPro Hero 7 white doesn't even support external mics. So everything that I was doing was completely pointless. So I got a couple other friends that have GoPros, so I asked my boy if I could use his to just test out and see if my setup would work with, you know, a newer GoPro. And he let me use his GoPro, and absolutely nothing happened. I got no audio again. So at this point I did some more research. I find out that the GoPro Hero 9 has sometimes an issue where it doesn't pick up the audio. So now I'm like, okay, now I just need to get a newer GoPro than that, because he had the GoPro Hero 9. So now I'm waiting for Prime Day so I can get my GoPro Hero 10. Yeah, so I got the GoPro, I mounted it on my helmet, and nothing happened. I still had no audio at all. So do some more research, and then I find out that I need the TRS adapter, because the earbuds that I'm, or not earbuds, but the mic that I'm using is a TRSS mic, and it's made for like smartphones and stuff. It's not built for a GoPro or the GoPro adapter. So I got that. Well, actually it came with the one mic that I got, the Purple Panda, and yeah, plug that in and boom, I got audio. So this is the first, and then I tried it again, like because that was outside the helmet, so I like wired it all up and put it on the helmet and went out and tested it, but I had no audio when I came back. Yeah, I had no idea what was going on. So what had actually happened was the connection came like undone. It wasn't plugged in the whole way. Now that it is plugged the whole way in, hopefully this comes out to be a decent video. And which way do I want to go? Just going to the pet store, like right down the street. But this is going to be the last time I get to ride until Wednesday, so might as well take the long way. Glad that's not a cop behind me. What the fuck is this? Is that a dog in the back window? I saw my wallet? Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna ride for the rest of the ride pretty much. Not gonna talk very much. Oh, it's getting kind of cold out here. Should have worn my new gloves. I got these Dainese Tempest D-Dry gloves. They're supposed to be good in weather down to like 35 degrees, which is like, I don't know what it is right now, but it was fucking like 60 earlier when the sun was out. Definitely doesn't feel like 60 now. Woo! Yeah, it's definitely a good 50 or something out here. Oh yeah, I might hop off here and take local roads. See that? Just because the light's green doesn't mean you can go. Alright, going to the pet store. Get some crickets for my lizard. Maybe some worms, some super worms. And then I'm picking up Nova, and we're going to not Sky Zone. We're going to Get Air. And my niece. Yeah, that wind is crazy. That would be cool if you guys can hear me though. I really didn't I didn't stop at the pet store because I didn't want to, like, it's, you know, it's been like raining on and off all day. And I didn't want to unplug the GoPro to take it into the store. And yeah, I didn't want to wear the helmet in because sometimes I'd be in there for like 10 minutes or so waiting. So I didn't want to have my helmet on for that long. And I didn't want to take the GoPro off and leave the adapters, the audio adapter wires, just exposed, just in case it does start drizzling a little bit. So yeah, just going home. But hopefully this turned out to be a good video. If you guys liked it, if you want to see more moto content, I'm going on a pretty big trip. I'm taking a bike, weather permitting. It's going to be like 400 miles round trip, something like that. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the audio, if I did a good job, because it literally took me 2 months to set this shit up. So alright guys, that's it. It's been real, y'all been realer. That's my time. Peace.